Welcome to Best Choice. The Best NASA for Kids is probably one of the most exciting and educational resources available for young aspiring astronauts and space enthusiasts, offering a gateway to the wonders of the universe right from their own homes, sparking curiosity and a lifelong passion for science and exploration through interactive learning and engaging content that makes understanding complex concepts like planetary orbits, rocket propulsion, and the vastness of space an absolute adventure. Number 5. NASA Lunar Telescope for Kids. Ignite your child's curiosity with this amazing telescope. It's designed to bring the moon into incredible detail, making it a perfect gift for young space enthusiasts. Featuring high-quality optical glass and a helpful finder scope, this instrument makes locating celestial bodies a breeze. It comes with everything needed for clear, magnified views. The included tabletop tripod ensures a steady view, while the smooth mount system allows for effortless exploration of the lunar surface. Get ready for optimal viewing experiences. This telescope is designed with beginners in mind. It's simple to set up and operate, making it ideal for young scientists and parents to share the joy of discovery. From an award-winning developer, this product is built to foster education and imagination. Plus, you can count on our US support team for a stellar experience. What we like. This telescope offers incredible detail of the moon's surface. It comes with everything a beginner needs to get started, including eyepieces and a tripod. If you have a child fascinated by space and want to ignite their curiosity with a hands-on learning experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The two lens attachments are very important. They help bring everything closer and clearer. It allows for detailed viewing of the moon. If not spectacular clarity, the details of Jupiter could be made out. My 12-year-old son absolutely loved this thing. He says that he can actually see stars, planets. He says it's visible. Number 4. JOYIN Rocket Ship Play Tent. Get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure with our incredible rocket ship play tent. It's the perfect launch pad for your child's imagination. This comprehensive set includes the tent, a carrying tote, anchors, and sturdy poles. It's portable and lightweight, making setup a breeze anywhere, indoors or out. Assembly is a snap with our easy-to-follow instructions and foldable poles. Spend less time setting up and more time exploring the galaxy with your little ones. Spark creativity and imaginative play while reducing screen time. Building and playing in this tent is a fun, engaging activity for the whole family. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant polyester fabric, it's built to last. Cleaning is simple with a damp cloth, mild soap, and water. We are committed to providing a great shopping experience. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. Ignite imaginative play with this fun rocket ship tent. It's portable, durable, and easy to set up for hours of entertainment. If you're looking for a way to encourage creative play and reduce screen time for your kids, this tent offers a fantastic indoor or outdoor adventure space. What people say. This is a great book for kids who love space. The illustrations are beautiful and really bring the planets to life. My son learned so much about the solar system from this book. Number 3. Space Exploration Shuttle 12-in-1 STEM Building Kit. Discover a universe of possibilities with this incredible 12-in-1 space exploration building kit. It's designed to spark curiosity and ignite young imaginations. With 566 pieces, your child can construct a variety of fascinating space vehicles, from shuttles to rockets. It's a fantastic way to enjoy quality time together. This set makes learning exciting by introducing different space vehicles and encouraging exploration of the cosmos. It also sharpens hands-on skills and boosts creativity. Building is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-follow manual included. Your child can assemble their creations without any frustration. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, these blocks are built to last. They are safe, durable, and even washable for endless fun. Ideal for ages 6 and up, this kit offers an amazing educational gift experience. Let them become astronauts and create their own space adventures, making it perfect for birthdays and holidays. What we like. This extensive building kit allows kids to construct 12 different space vehicles, fostering learning through play. It's perfect for developing fine motor skills and creativity. If your child enjoys building and is curious about aerospace engineering, this STEM toy provides an engaging and educational challenge. What people say. The pieces are very lifelike and more of collectible types once you assemble. It's a great STEM toy that will keep a young person engaged. These have tight tolerances and fit well together. Number 2. Spooktacular Creations Astronaut Costume. Prepare for an out-of-this-world adventure with this incredible astronaut costume. It's perfect for sparking imagination and fun. Transform into a brave space explorer ready to discover new galaxies. This costume includes everything needed for an authentic look. This set comes with a detailed helmet and a full spacesuit, ensuring a complete and immersive experience for your little astronaut. Whether it's for Halloween trick-or-treating or a fun cosplay event, this costume is sure to be a hit. Let their imagination soar. Designed for comfort and durability, this costume allows for hours of play. It's made to withstand all their cosmic explorations. Available for toddlers and kids, this astronaut costume is a fantastic way to bring their space dreams to life. Get ready for takeoff. What we like. Transform your child into an astronaut with this realistic costume. It includes a helmet for a complete look, perfect for Halloween or imaginative play. If you're looking for an exciting outfit for a costume party or want to fuel your child's dreams of space exploration, this astronaut suit is an excellent option. What people say. The flight suit is lightweight material that can be worn with appropriate layers underneath depending on temperature. The suit has a bunch of pockets with zippers. There are multiple cute patches sewn on and I was surprised at the quality of those. The material was more like a windbreaker type material. Has multiple functioning zippers. Absolutely obsessed with the helmet that comes with it. The material is durable yet lightweight, comfortable enough for my child to wear for hours without overheating or itching. The zippers and patches are high quality, and the included accessories make the look complete. It instantly became more than a costume, it turned into hours of imaginative play. Number 1. Funstuff Space Astronaut Pullover T-shirts. Get ready for adventure with our fun Space Astronaut T-shirts. Perfect for your little explorer, these shirts are designed for comfort and imaginative play. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, these pullovers ensure your child stays comfortable all day long. Whether they're reaching for the stars or playing on Earth, they'll love the feel. This pack includes 3 unique astronaut-themed designs, offering variety and style. Your child can choose their favorite for any occasion. Available in a wide range of sizes, from toddler to big kid, these shirts are made to fit. Ensure the perfect fit for your growing star. Looking for a gift that's out of this world? These t-shirts are an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. They're sure to be a hit. What we like. Dress your little one in these fun astronaut-themed t-shirts. They come in a convenient pack of 3, offering great value and style. If you want to add some cosmic flair to your child's everyday wardrobe and they love all things space, these comfortable pullovers are a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great book for kids who love space. It has lots of cool pictures and facts about NASA. My son loved this book. He learned so much about the planets and stars. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.